In this video, I'm going to show you how to check and fill the engine oil in a Craftsman LT1000 lawnmower. And it's really easy, but you might not know where to start. So that's why I'm making this video. And all you should need is a rag and some engine oil. I'm going to use 10W30, but make sure that you check online, or if you have your owner's manual still, to make sure you're putting the correct oil in here. So to start, you can raise up your hood, and right here is your oil fill, and this is also where your oil dipstick is. So we're just going to loosen it. It should not be super tight. Pull this out carefully, and we're going to wipe it. This is also a good time to check the quality of your oil. If it's really, really dark, it might need to be changed. But as you can see, there is an add line right here. So that line right here past the hash marks, you would want to add oil. And then this is full. You also don't want to overfill the oil. So after the hash marks right here, this way, don't fill it past there. But we're going to check it. So we got to put this back in carefully, try and go centered all the way down, and do this while your engine is cool. And then pull it back out. So that might be a little tricky to see, but it looks like this is completely full. We'll try again. So the oil looks like it's in good shape, and this actually looks like it might be a little over-filled. You're gonna have some oil up here anyways, but where it's the heaviest, like this, you can see that it is heavy into these hash marks, and it looks like it's right at the line, so you should be all set. But if you did need to add some oil, you would do so through here, and just a little bit at a time. You shouldn't need a funnel. This is pretty big. So you would add it, let it sit for a minute or two, put this back in, check it, and add some more if you need to. But that is it. Like I said, very simple, but it's a good thing to do. You should do it at the start of the season and check it during the season, just to make sure, because you don't want to run out of oil. So hopefully this video helped. Thanks for watching.